Have you ever felt like your life is empty, like nothing good ever happens? Well, today's story will change the way you see your world. Hello my sweet viewers, welcome back to my channel, where we learn English through powerful life lessons. Let's start the story. Leo was a young man. He was often sad. His days felt gray, even when the sun shone. He felt like his life was empty. One afternoon, Leo walked in the park. He felt very down. He looked at the ground. Then, he saw something. It was an empty glass jar. It was clear and clean. An old lady sat on a bench nearby. She saw Leo pick up the jar. She smiled softly. "That's a special jar," she said. Leo looked at her. "It's just an empty jar," he replied. "Not for long," she said. "Take it home. Every night, write one good thing about your day on a small piece of paper. Then, drop it into this jar." Leo was confused. "A good thing?" he asked. "My days don't have good things." The old lady just smiled. "Try it," she said. "You might be surprised." Leo took the jar home. That night, he sat at his table. He held a small piece of paper and a pen. One good thing, he thought. His day felt empty. He thought very hard. After a long time, he wrote, "The sun was warm for a minute." He folded the paper and dropped it into the empty jar. It made a small plink sound. The next day, it was even harder. He wrote, "My tea tasted good." Day by day, Leo tried. Some days, he wrote about a bird singing. Other days, he wrote about a friendly wave from a neighbor. It was always a very small thing. He still felt sad often, but he kept putting notes in the jar. Weeks passed. Slowly, the jar began to fill. It was like magic. Leo started to look for good things during the day. He saw the beautiful clouds. He heard children laughing. He noticed the smell of fresh bread from the bakery. He still had bad days, but he always found one small good thing. One evening, Leo looked at the jar. It was full. It was full of tiny papers, each holding a small, happy memory. He carefully poured them out onto his table. He started to read them one by one. A kind word from a stranger. My favorite song played on the radio. A funny movie made me smile. A warm blanket on a cold night. A perfectly ripe apple. The sound of rain on the window. As he read, a warm feeling grew in his heart. His eyes filled with tears, but they were happy tears. His life was not empty. It was full of small, happy moments. He had just never noticed them. He had always focused on what was missing, not on what was there. Leo was not a sad young man anymore. He knew that happiness was not a big, hard-to-find thing. It was in the little moments, all around him. He just had to open his eyes and see them. He smiled. He knew the old lady was right. Happiness truly grows when you count your blessings. Leo discovered something amazing. Happiness is not a big thing, that it's in the small moments we notice every day. And just like Leo, you can find happiness too, one good thing at a time. If you enjoyed this story, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share so we can keep learning English together through beautiful stories. Remember, count your blessings, and happiness will grow. See you in the next story.